Dental bridges cost comparison with Europe and Turkey. Bridges for teeth are a popular method of replacing lost teeth in order to restore aesthetics and function that your smile has. The cost for dental bridges can be a bit different in relation to where you go to get the procedure. In this short video, we'll look at the price of dental bridges within Europe as well as Turkey so that you can make an informed choices about which place to go for your dental procedure completed. Cost of dental bridges in Europe. In Europe, the price of dental bridges varies greatly based on which country where you live and on the grade of the materials utilized. In general, the price of an implant in Europe will vary between €500 up to €3,000 every tooth. It can be more expensive in the event that you require further procedures, such as root canals or extractions. The price of dental bridges in places such as those of the UK, Germany, and Switzerland generally is larger due to the increased prices of living as well as the higher cost of work. These countries have a cost of a bridge is often more than €2,000 per tooth. This makes it an expensive procedure for a large number of patients. Cost of dental bridges in Turkey. Turkey has grown to be a well-known location for dental tourism thanks to its top-quality dental services for a reasonable price. The price of dental bridges in Turkey are significantly less expensive compared to Europe as prices vary between €200 up to €1,000 for each tooth. It includes appointment, the treatment and post-treatment care, which makes an affordable option for people seeking to lower the cost of the dental procedure. The less expensive cost of dental bridges in Turkey is due to the less expensive prices of living and the labor in Turkey, which makes it feasible for dentists to offer top-quality treatment with a lower costs compared with Europe. The majority of dentists are located in Turkey make use of the latest technology and materials in order to provide patients with the highest quality of care at cost-effective prices. Quality of dental care in Europe versus Turkey. In the realm of dental health, the quality is equally important as price. Although the expense of dental bridges might be cheaper in Turkey, however, you need to take into consideration the level of treatment you can expect. Both Europe as well as Turkey have highly educated and experienced dentists who are able to give excellent care to your teeth. However, it's important to research your options and pick a reliable dentist with a demonstrated history of accomplishment. In Europe, dentists are highly controlled and must be able to meet the strictest standards of treatment, which ensures that patients receive the highest quality treatment. Similar is the case regarding dental clinics located in Turkey, in which many of the clinics are recognized by international bodies with highly trained dental staff that can offer top-quality dentistry. In the end, the decision between the possibility of dental bridges being made either in Europe or Turkey depends on the individual's preferences and your budget. If money is your main priority, then Turkey might be the most suitable alternative for you. But if you are a fan of top quality and desire peace of mind which can be gained from receiving dental services in a controlled area, in which case Europe might be the best alternative for those who are. In the end, the price of dental bridges within Europe as well as Turkey will differ significantly, with Turkey providing lower costs when compared with Europe. Both countries have well-trained and experienced dentists who are able to give excellent care to your teeth, which is why it's crucial to take into consideration the price and the quality aspects before making a decision. The final decision on which dental bridge is made is an individual decision. Ensure that you conduct your homework and select one that is suited to your budget and needs.